Alright y'all, so I am literally sitting between my two beds because that is where the best lighting is in my room, unfortunately. But as you guys saw in my last video, I ordered the Jeffree Star mystery box and it finally came in. It came in a week later, so very impressed. I ordered it like right on the weekend, so actually like 2 weeks, because it was 2 weeks ago that I ordered it. But obviously, like, because of high demands and everything, finally came in. I was really impressed with the company because every time there was an update about delivery and everything, like, I got an email, so very impressed, and I'm super excited to open it. I haven't looked at any of the videos either for what could be in the smallest mystery box, so let's get it open, shall we? Ugh. Woo! Oh my god. Okay, okay. Firstly, this is what we see when you open the box. We got some red packaging. The first thing I see is a hat. And on the hat says Jeffree Star with the like hearts thing. So let's try it on. I'll have her out for the rest of the vlog so you don't have to stare at the acne on my face. Oh my god. Cute. Very cute, very Valentine's theme. We have some wrapping paper. We have the gloss in the shade Succulent. Very excited. Sorry, I have to keep looking down to make sure I'm still in frame because my thing is under it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I opened it upside down. Oops. No, I didn't. I'm just being dumb. Yeah, I'm just being really dumb. Okay. Okay, first of all, packaging A1. Second of all, let's try this on. Okay, ready? Oh shit. Ooh, very smooth, very smooth. I love it. Not gonna lie, I smell it and it smells pretty good. I really like this, and it makes my lips look very shiny. I like this. Oh my gosh, I'm very impressed. Next thing we have is a Jeffree Star pop socket. I want to switch out my pop socket, but I will later. I don't know, because I had this one on my phone case and I've had it on my phone case for over a year. It's kind of fading, so I might switch it over. Lastly, we have something in here. I don't know what it is, so let's get it. It's wrapped in the alien paper. I'm super excited. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. I got the alien palette. Oh my. Guys, this is my genuine reaction. I really didn't know this was coming in here. Holy shit. Guys, I've never like ordered anything from Jeffree Star and I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, looking at these, the colors I definitely will 100% use is Pluto, Titan, Interstellar, maybe UFO, Gravity, Martian Soul, Phone Home, Moon Rock, X-Files, Ghost OG, Probe, Tall Grey, Black Hole, and Space Cowboy, which is more than half the colors. Oh my god. Jeffree Star is probably gonna never see this video, but seriously, this is my first ever like makeup thing, anything from Jeffree Star, and I'm super impressed. Thank you so much for coming up with the mystery box idea. I am shook to the core. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, on the other point, that was the last thing that was in the mystery box, so I hope you guys liked the video. I've never done like a makeup unboxing video like this before because I've never ordered anything like this. So if you liked it, make sure you guys give a big thumbs up, and if you order anything from Jeffree Star, what is your favorite thing that you've ordered from there before? From the cosmetics company, of course. And make sure you guys follow all of my socials, subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hit it.